dear boy, this has become too easy. How about a little spot of sport before you go bye-bye?
It's like you like being mean to me!
Well, it's because I do. See? I even earned a badge in it. Do you know that feeling of a perfect sunny day? Well, that's the feeling that I get when I delegate they get day. Your butterflies, my poison spiders, your rainbows, my haze. You're a technicolor dream, and I'm a nightmare of black and gray. It feels so, so good to be just a little bit bad. And I don't know why, but I don't wanna beg. And I got all this animosity, it keeps on pouring out of me. Don't know why, but I'm just a little bit dead. I like thunder, I like lightning, I like evil, I like frightening, I like chaos and confusion. I'm a master of amusing everyone around. So if you want to know the truth, it's that I found that it feels so, so good to be just a little bit bad. And I don't know why, but I don't wanna go back. And I got all this animosity, it keeps on pouring out of me. Don't know why, but I'm just a little bit bad.
Disturbing.
Eyes bothering you, dear boy? Looks like you're ready to blink. Blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink. Blink. I'm afraid you lose. Goodbye. Now, aren't you sweet?